Ingredients: oats, Greek yogurt, jaggery powder, oil, baking powder, baking soda, and raisins. Take a bowl and add a cup of Greek yogurt in it. Greek yogurt is a good source of protein. It has iodine, calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus. It is good for bones and gut health, and it also improves immunity. Now add 2 tablespoons of oil to it. Here I have used rapeseed oil. Mix both the ingredients well. Avoid low-fat or fat-free yogurts, as a lot of sugar is added to them to balance the taste that has been lost due to fat elimination. Let's keep this mixture aside for some time. Now take a cup of rolled oats. Grind the oats properly. After that, take the yogurt mixture and put a sieve on it. Now sift the grounded oats using the sieve. This will ensure that all large particles are removed from the mixture. Oats are a very good source of fiber as they contain beta-glucan. They are rich in micronutrients like zinc, copper, selenium, and B vitamins. They help in managing cholesterol and blood sugar levels. They are rich in antioxidants and are good for weight loss. A cup of oats, which is roughly 104 grams, contains almost 420 calories. Now mix all the ingredients well. Now sift a cup of jaggery powder using the same sieve. Jaggery is a natural sweetener which is derived from sugarcane. It is a very good source of iron. It is rich in antioxidants, aids digestion, boosts immunity, and detoxifies the body. It is a healthier alternative to white sugar but should be consumed in moderation. A cup of jaggery contains almost 760 calories. Mix everything well. Now add 1/4 cup of cacao powder. Mix well. Cacao powder is a healthier alternative to cocoa powder. It is made of cacao beans. It is rich in copper, zinc, and magnesium. It is good for metabolism and for good energy levels. It helps in supporting an active mind. Now add 1 teaspoon of baking powder to the batter. Add half a teaspoon of baking soda. Mix and whisk well to form a smooth batter. Add some raisins to the mixture. Raisins are dried grapes. They are rich in fiber, potassium, and antioxidants. However, they have a high sugar content and should be consumed in moderation. Now, this is the consistency that we are trying to achieve. Line the base of the baking tin with parchment paper. Also, I tend to grease the sides of the tin with oil as it makes it easier to take out the cake once it is baked. Now pour the batter in the baking tin. Now put it in the oven at 180 degrees for 20 minutes. And as they say, bake it till you make it. Once baked, take it out and relish a soft and spongy cake. Thank you for watching.